When your TalkTalk YouView box won't turn on, systematic diagnosis is key to finding the right solution. We'll walk through the essential steps to identify and fix common power issues. First, examine the LED status on your YouView box. The LED indicator provides crucial information about what's happening inside your device. If there are no LED lights at all, check your power connections. Ensure the power cable is firmly connected to both the YouView box and the wall socket. If the LED is on but you have no picture or sound, check all other cable connections. This includes HDMI cables to your TV and aerial cables for signal reception. Overheating is a common cause of YouView box failures. Check that your box has adequate ventilation and isn't stacked with other devices that generate heat. Finally, try a soft reset. This simple procedure resolves many common issues. Unplug the power cable for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for the box to fully restart. These diagnostic steps resolve the majority of YouView box power issues. If your box still won't respond after trying these methods, you may need advanced recovery techniques or professional assistance. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your YouView box issues, it's time to try advanced recovery methods. These techniques can restore functionality but require careful execution. The first advanced method is a factory reset. If your box can still access menus, navigate to Settings, then System, then Factory Reset. This is the safest approach when the interface is responsive. If you cannot access the menu system, try the button combination method. Hold the Standby and OK buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds during startup. This forces a factory reset even when the interface is unresponsive. For more severe issues, hard boot recovery may be necessary. Power off the box completely, then hold the Standby button and Volume Down button while reconnecting power. Release the buttons when the recovery menu appears. Advanced users may attempt firmware recovery through hidden service menus. This varies by model and requires technical expertise. Access the service menu, select Software Update or Recovery Mode, and allow automatic firmware reinstallation. This process can take 30 to 60 minutes. If these recovery methods fail, it's time to consider professional help. Contact TalkTalk customer support for software-related issues or warranty claims. For hardware problems like power supply failure or hard drive issues, professional repair services may be more appropriate. TalkTalk offers 24/7 customer support with online diagnostic tools and community forums. Professional repair services typically cost £40 to £80, while replacement units range from £100 to £150. Remember, 75% of software issues can be resolved through these recovery methods.